This week, I launched the very first edition of my monthly newsletter that focuses solely on portfolio websites for designers and creatives. I send it out once a month to over 2,000 designers and creatives, and we talk nothing but portfolio tips and how to upgrade your portfolio website and things like this. And here's what we talked about this month. First up, I did a deep dive of Rashad's portfolio website. Rashad has over 9 years of experience, and his design of his portfolio website is very simple, but it's also very tasteful. And this is what I mean. Rashad makes great use of scroll into view animations where it's just enough to kind of keep people engaged and surprised when his work comes into view while looking at his portfolio website. And I do a whole deep dive on his entire portfolio website, but I really love this because it just showing restraint just kind of like oozes experience. It just oozes that you know what you're doing, and I love it. And then I shared all the amazing portfolio websites that I saw throughout the month, like this one by Felix, The Proof is in the Pudding. I thought that was really funny. Power of Social Proof by Kurt Winter. And then each month, I want to do a deep dive on a specific topic. And right now, Adobe Portfolio is like the focus for me. A lot of designers and creatives use it. It's supposed to be this really easy tool to make a portfolio website, but it's actually not. Obviously, everyone has it because they end up having Adobe. And so I went ahead and put together like a wish list of things that I wish Adobe would fix with the platform. It's definitely due for an interface upgrade, things like improving this idea of having a style guide throughout your portfolio website, incorporating more pre-built interactive elements, customized video player, current one is pretty rickety. And for the love of design, please give us new theme templates. And that's everything I shared in the very first edition of my newsletter, The Portfolio Squeeze. I send it out once a month to over 2,000 designers and creatives right now. And if you would like to sign up and receive Portfolio Squeeze, then you just head over to the link in my profile. Let me know in the comments how my sunburn is looking. If you want more tips on design, your portfolio website, make sure you like this video and follow me. Have a good day.